Today we are out at Trinkler Dairy Farm in Sierra, California, the first farm to pursue a carbon-neutral future as part of the Net Zero initiative. Trinkler Dairy Farms delivers fresh milk daily to our CARNATION facility, where we produce our rich, creamy, evaporated milk.
Today on the farm, we use many sustainable practices. All of our manure that's produced by the cows is either used to fertilize our crops, or it's dried and used for bedding. All the water that our barn produces is either used to irrigate our crops. Some of the barn water is recycled back through the water troughs and soakers. Nothing leaves the farm as waste. To reduce emissions on the dairy farm, it's not a one-size-fits-all approach for every dairy. There's feed additives, nutrient recovery, other ways to capture methane. And with some of the technologies coming around now, I think there's a real economic benefit to implement the technology.
We're very excited about this partnership that we have with Trinkler Farms to build their capabilities, to reduce their carbon footprint within their dairy production facilities with the long-term goal of achieving net zero.
What this means for our farmers, our community, and our planet is huge, and the impact is going to be so exciting to see. At Nestlé, we are striving for a more sustainable future. Our goal is to leave the world better than we found it.